I'm Lindsay, and today we are going to learn about multiples. Before I start, I want to show you some helpful materials that might help you with this presentation. So I have about 7 nickels here, and then about 9 pennies, and I also have 2 of these, which are 100 charts. You can just print them off of Google. They will help you during this presentation and to help understand what I'm about to teach you better. So, what are you going to learn today? You, the students, will be able to understand what multiples are. To understand what multiples are, I have to define them. Multiples are the product of any 2 sets of numbers other than 0. You will also be able to find the multiples of any given numbers. So, when we count, just regularly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are all multiples. They're multiples of 1 because 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. But if we go deeper, 1 times 2 is 2, so that makes 2 a multiple of 1 and 2. If we say 1 times 9 is 9, 1 is a multiple of 9, and so is 9. Now let's go and look at our nickels. I'm going to count. Nickels are worth 5, so I'm going to count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Those are all multiples of 5. So for instance, let's do 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. So 10 is a multiple of 5 and 2. Let's look at dimes now. Dimes, these are all 10, so they're all multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So like 10. 10 times 1 is 10. So 1 and 10 are both multiples of 10. 20. 10 times 2, those are both multiples of 20 because 10 is a multiple and 2 is a multiple. Okay, so now that I've gone over that, let's try our 100 charts. We are going to color in the multiples of 2 on here. So we're going to start with 2 because 2 times 1 is 2, and that is a multiple of 2. Now the next multiple is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. The next multiple is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. I think you guys might start noticing a pattern here. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're actually skip counting by 2s. So we can go through, and if we kept going, 10, 12, 14, we would go on, and this is our final product. If you look at these, every other number is a multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Those are all multiples of 2. Now, let's try 6. This one could be a little more difficult. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. So these are all multiples of 6. And if we were to keep going, which I don't have time to show you, it would end up looking like this. If you notice the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 6, there's kind of a pattern here. It's kind of diagonal. So if we look at a 100s chart and we color in numbers, there's always going to be a pattern if we color in the multiples of a number. So today, I hope you guys understood how to do multiples. And with another hundreds chart, feel free to color in the multiples of 8, and you can check those out. So 1 times 8 is 8, and go on from there. Have a wonderful day.